In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Slack linked inside ChatGPT, so you can streamline your work without juggling multiple windows. Start inside your ChatGPT interface. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile. This is the small circle or avatar that may show your initials or a picture. Click that profile area to open your account menu. From that menu, select Settings. This opens a panel where you can manage how ChatGPT behaves and which tools it can use. In the Settings panel, find and choose the section labeled Apps. This is where all available integrations live. If you don't immediately see Slack here, don't worry, that's expected. You'll either see an option called Explore Apps or a button that says Add More. Click whichever one appears. Both lead to the same catalog where you can browse and enable new integrations. A search field will appear at the top of this catalog. Click into the search bar and type Slack. You should see the Slack app listed in the results, usually with the recognizable logo and a short description. Click on it to open the app's details page, then select Connect. At this point, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. You may be prompted to sign in to your Slack account, pick the workspace you want to use, and review permissions. Carefully read the permission screen so you understand what access is being granted. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you choose the one you actively use. If your organization requires admin approval, you might see a notice. Just follow the prompts provided. Once you approve the connection, you'll be brought back to ChatGPT, and the Slack app should now show as connected. You can confirm this by revisiting Settings and opening the Apps section. Slack will appear in your connected apps list. If you ever see a message indicating that it's already connected, that simply means you're set and no further action is needed. A few quick tips if something doesn't look right. Double check your spelling in the search field, ensure pop-ups are allowed in your browser so the authorization window can appear, and remember that availability can vary by account or admin policy. If Slack doesn't show up, it may be temporarily unavailable or restricted for your account type. And that's it. You clicked your profile, opened Settings, went to Apps, explored or added more, searched for Slack, hit Connect, and followed the prompts. You're ready to go.